Ladies and gentlemen, at MWC 2026, Honor just took the stage and dropped the magic V6. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a direct assault on every other foldable manufacturer on the planet. The thinnest color variant is 8.75mm thin when folded. When you unfold it, it's just 4mm thick. But the real shocker? They didn't shrink the battery, they increased it. There is a 6,660 milliamp power battery inside this chassis. The hinge mechanism is a new proprietary steel and titanium composite design. Honor is promising it's rated for over 500,000 folds. That's about 10 years of normal use. But the biggest improvement is the crease. They've combined this new hinge with a new type of ultra-thin glass and an improved substrate layer beneath the old panel, and they didn't sacrifice durability. This phone is now fully IP68 and IP69 rated. Yes, IP69. That means it's not just safe from a drop in the sink, but it can handle high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. Not sure why you'd need that, but hey, if you spill a cappuccino on it, you can probably just power wash it. Okay, probably don't actually do that. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. It's the first foldable powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Honor made a specific note during the keynote that they are using the full power version of this chip, not the underclocked variant that slim foldables sometimes use to manage heat. They've incorporated a massive new cooling chamber to keep this running cool. The outer screen hits a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, while the inner screen hits 5,000 nits. We have a 50 megapixel main, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and the star of the show, a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. We are still waiting on official final global pricing. What do you think of this phone? Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on our next video. Goodbye.